Here's a great deal on a 2013 Ford F-150. This four-door, six-passenger truck just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 5-liter, 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.